Hey guys, how's it going? DG Plays here, and I'm here with some unboxing, and I'm gonna show you what I just got in the mail today. Elgato Game Capture HD. So yeah guys, today we are here with an unboxing video and possibly a setup video of this nice bag right here, so let's start. Alright, so first off, dandy scissors. Oh, these are my God. Okay, so let's get here. Let's get over here. This scissor stuff. These aren't even just rip it. Bare hands. There we go. That was not bad. So yeah, here we go, guys.
Everything changes.
Game captured right here. Came in the mail today. I didn't have to sign it or anything, which is very surprising. It just gave it to me because I'm like, oh, I was like, it was expected somewhere like January 2nd to 6th. Apparently came early, but it kind of surprised me. Like, I expected it to come January 2nd. So yeah, we're just gonna put my hand in stand up and
life.
I'm gonna open. I'll rip off the plastic. There we go, guys. You gotta be fancy and work here, guys. Fancy. Let it unravel itself, and there we go. Elgato Game Capture HD. High definition game recording. I can read French, but I can't read it completely. This version works with the next gen consoles, so I'm good. And Wii U including. So yeah, here we go. Here's the back if you guys want to read it. I don't know if you can even read it anyway because this camera is like very bad. There we go. HDMI, full HP, full 1080p, active full windows. So let's open this up. Okay guys, so I put this back. Put this stand back up. And we're gonna slide it open. So here we got the actual box. Missing here's the actual box itself. So now we just gotta open it. Let's look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, back to that. No. Okay. So there we go, guys. And you see that in this is going to be capture card, so it is kind of small, I think. I know it's small, I didn't think it was just small. This is something iPhone, guys. I was still an iPhone, but you got it down here, so yeah. Here we go, guys. All the nice ports in there, and there. Pretty nice thing. So we're gonna put that over there, and we're gonna see what else is in here. So we got the box itself. We're gonna, let's see. We can take this out, right? Yep. Take it out like as if it was a book. Okay, guys. Here we have the HDMI cable, 5-foot HDMI cable. Here we have the other HDMI cable, which is supposed to come over. Here we have the audio ports, AVI ports for PlayStation. I don't have PlayStation, screw those. And here we go. Here we have, I think this is also for PlayStation. Yeah, this is also for PlayStation, screw that. So yeah guys, that's it for everything. Here should be something else. Yeah, we got there's that, you want to see it. So yeah. Enough of that. There is also something here that even more secret components. Okay, here we go. Here we have the instruction manual, get started and stuff. Cards. So yeah, let's put this up again. Put the stand up again.
Life.
PlayStation 4 is down here because PlayStation 3 has stuff. So yeah, let's set it up. First, what you're gonna want to do and what you're gonna need is a PC or laptop, like reachable to you. So I got my laptop. I gotta disconnect everything. Yeah, PC. My old PC is right here. I'm not gonna reach all the way over there. So that's why I have this laptop. It's a lot prepared. So I didn't want a desktop. I wanted a laptop. So yeah, guys. So what you want to do is put your laptop, in my case, somewhere where it's accessible to the Xbox. Put it here on top of it. And yeah. Once you have that, I'm done now.
Life.
Here we have your Elgato. Grab your first HDMI cable, like so, as I'm doing right now. Go back and look it up. So yeah, I'm just going to bring the two other things. Wired, come on. Okay, I'm pretty sure these cables work for the same thing. Anyway. Or, yeah. Okay, so I think one is USB to HDMI. So first, what you want to do, hold up, guys. I need to grab all the other bags. Okay, guys, so more wires. This thing is kind of simpler to set up in HD PVR, so it's not that hard. Okay, guys. So here we have our cable that connects the computer to the Elgato. So it's going to be first. You want to grab your Elgato and you're going to find the port right here that says USB. You can't right there. It says USB. Right.
Everything
Here.
changes.
Right here, you don't want to plug it in. There we go. Put that in the table. Right. And then, after that, you're going to want to grab the USB port and you're going to connect it to your PC or laptop. So my USB port is over here. One of them has two others, but mine is right there.
Life.
There we go, guys. Okay, next up, if you want to do either side of your HDMI port over here, and you want to connect it either side to the USB port right here. Not the USB port, but to the HDMI port in to the Elgato. And then you want to connect it. The other one, I'm not that sure where though. Hold up, I'm gonna check.
Life. Grab where I said the HDMI in goes.
You want to connect that to your Xbox or PlayStation 4 or Xbox One, whatever. So you're gonna have to disconnect your TV one. The one that connects to your TV. I'm trying to do. Hold up. And it's gonna be a struggle for me because it's like so in there. Ah, Jesus. Oh my God, guys. I'm doing this for you. Struggles. There we go. So that's in the back of your Xbox VH. Connect it to your TV. Connect your TV to my output of your device is just an HDMI cable. So use the HDMI cable you already have, that you already own, that you connect to the Xbox to the TV. You want to grab it, here's mine. And you want to connect that to the HDMI out, where the USB port is of the Elgato game capture. Like so. You see here where the USB cable I said was before? Connect your HDMI there, next to it, and there you go.
Everything
There you go,
changes.
guys. You have it set up right there. Next, what you want to do is you want to go connect the USB port to your Elgato, which is what I showed you earlier before I right there. And what you want to do is that the PC go ahead and contact your software with do that. And you go down the update, I'm going to do that in the description below. So yeah, guys, that's what I said. I will do video later. Things up a little bit. If you like this video, please comment, share, subscribe,